A lot of people think that tailoring is just about the fabrics, the machine, and the scissors. But the truth is, there are certain tools that separate an average tailor from a professional. If you are really serious about your craft, these are 5 items I believe every tailor should have. Some of these items may look simple, but over time, I realized that they completely affect the quality, the speed, the finishing, and even how professionally looking your outfit are. The first item is a good pressing iron. A good iron is one of the most underrated items in tailoring. A good pressing iron changed the way your outfit looks. Without ironing, it is impossible to present a wrinkled outfit to a customer. But when you use a good pressing iron on your outfit, it will change how professionally looking your stitches are. The second item is a mannequin. A mannequin changes the way you see your work. When you place your work on a mannequin, it will be easier for you to notice the fitness issue, areas where you need to make corrections. It will also help your client to see how good looking their outfit looks on them. So it is one of the ways you can present your work to your client. When I started tailoring, I faced an issue whereby customers asked me to send them a sample of my work. But because I have no mannequin, I was not able to send some of the samples that they wanted. I could only send the samples that I placed on my sewing machine. So every tailor needs a mannequin because it also adds to the professionalism and also to the beauty of their shop. The third item that every tailor needs is a measuring tape. Measuring tape is a foundation of tailoring. And without this measuring tape, you cannot take accurate body measurements of your client. You cannot transfer the measurement into a pattern that you are drafting. And without this measuring tape, it is almost impossible to be referred to as a tailor. So tailors need to value the measuring tape that they have. The next item that every tailor needs is a weaving machine or an overlock machine. Nowadays, customers don't just focus on the outer part of the outfit. They also look inward to note the finishing and the neatness in the outfit. So without an overlock machine, when a customer turns their outfit over, they will be seeing rough edge or raw edges on the outfit. So every tailor needs a weaving machine to give a premium look to the outfit after sewing. The next thing that tailors also need is a sharp scissors. Tailors also need a sharp scissors in order for them to cut an outfit or to cut a fabrics while drafting a pattern. Without a scissors, a tailor cannot cut any outfit that they will be sewing. As an additional point, tailors also need good lighting condition while working, because in a good lighting environment, they will be able to see their mistakes and areas where they need to make corrections. And also with good lighting, they can sew neat outfits for their customers. Additional item that every tailor needs, of which you all know, is a sewing machine. Whether manual, industrial, or a tabletop machine, without a sewing machine, there is nothing you can do as a tailor because we depend heavily on sewing machine. Even if you have the fabrics, the scissors, you still need the sewing machine to sew the pattern that you've drafted already. With all these items, over time, I realized something important. Good finishing is one thing that separates an average tailor from a professional. Professional tailoring is not about having the most expensive setup, but it's about understanding the importance to details, because small improvement create big difference in an outfit. So one thing I want you to take note today is that tailoring is more than just sewing an outfit or fabrics together. It's about craftsmanship, and the tools you use shaping the quality that people will remember.